Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can find hidden phone numbers on Telegram. Let's get started. Unfortunately, I like to put it out there that you're unable to directly find a hidden phone number on Telegram unless they've shared it with you personally or if you have access to their account. However, you can still contact them using their Telegram username or ID, as in you can message, text, call them using their Telegram username ID. However, people, there is a certain way by which you can find out a hidden mobile number on Telegram. This does not always work, keep in mind, but once in a while it always works out. So what you need to do is open the Telegram app on your phone, tap the search icon and enter the username that you need to find the hidden phone number for. Once you've done that, select the desired profile from the search results, tap the profile name at the top of the chat screen, and then tap the three dotted icon and choose add to contacts, and then it should reveal the hidden phone number. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.